Hey there, welcome to a WordPress SEO Optimization course. In the previous class, we have audit our website, check our website SEO, and we found that 10 failures that we must have to fix and 7 warning. And in this tutorials, we are going to go ahead and start fixing all the issues, but we are going to start with, scroll down, with this issue, responsive image tags. This is very important for two reasons. One is to display image correctly, and the reason to speed up your website and display your website in mobile device. So overall, it's one of the most important issue, and that's why we have to fix this issue. And we are going to fix this issue at first time. And you see, here is the full list of our size image. So in this tutorials, we are going to fix our size image in website. Okay, so first of all, you see, this is the image. If you go back on my website, this is the image that our size. Open it. Okay, and here is the guideline. Display size 610 pixel, but natural size 1280 pixel. So we have to fix it. So first we are going to fix this issue. Okay, so save this image and copy this title. Open Photoshop. Okay, just wait a little bit time. Okay, now open the image that we have download. Looks here, this one. We're going to open it again, save as PNG. Okay, now look at the size, 1280 pixel. This is the current size, and we have to make it 610 pixel. So going to resize 610 pixel, perfect, and save it in JPG format. File name Shopify product page. Okay, save it. Now go back. Now we have to change this image in here. So we're going to admin panel or dashboard and upload this image. Okay, going to upload. Looks here. Okay, okay, we have added alternative text, and here is the image URL. Now we are going to change this image. Click on the theme editor, open index, main index template. Open this file. Okay, scroll down. Here is the image URL. Going to update. Okay, okay, perfect. Click on the save. Then there are another image. If I go back my website, this image, copy, open this image, save it. Okay, now okay, it's same size. We have to do same things, just following the guideline. 600 pixel. Okay, perfect. Okay, and upload this image on the library. So we are going to upload this image. Okay, copy URL. In the same way, we have to update the image in here. Here is the image. Yes, click on the update file. Okay, then we have to fix these three images. So I am going to do this very quickly. This one, and this one. Open this image. And product title, here is. So save it and product title. Okay, by this time we are going to resize. Okay, and edit, and the recommended size is 397. So resize it. 397. Perfect. And we are going to change the thumbnail, product title. Okay, save. Product title too long. Perfect. And now I'm going to upload this image in here. Yes, this one. Product title. Okay, perfect. Click on the save. Then in the same way I have to work on this true image. So I'm going to draw quickly. Now going to draw this one. The same process, just edit, add video. Okay, save as. Okay, and add video in Shopify, and the size is 397, same size. 397. Okay, perfect. Yes, this one. We're so close. Okay, save. And finally, the last one, the wish list. So save it, open it, edit it. Wish list. Perfect. And add wish list. Okay, add wish list. And finally, we're going to reflex. Yes, this one. Perfect. So it is. Okay, we have done so far, and we have fixed the first issue, and now we have to check it that is it working or not. So you see, again our SE score is 78 on 100, and we have 10 warning, and now we are going to audit it again. So copy the URL, site SEO checkup. Okay, wow, you see our SE score is right now 81, and we have fixed one error. So we have to fix all the error one by one, and I will share the all details step by step. Actually, I will show you all the details guideline step by step how to fix everything on your website. Okay, so SE is a long term process. You cannot expect get result within 1 hours, within 1 day, within 1 month. You have to work continuously to rank your store, to keep it up on the search result. So you should continue work on your site. So I hope you have well enough patient to keep attention or keep focus on your SEO, especially on this course, and continue all the class. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you think this video is helpful, then click on the like button and subscribe to my channel. And if you need any service support relevant Shopify, SEO or WordPress, then you can contact with me. Have a nice day. Bye bye.